Okay, we're live on YouTube. Mr. Blythe, can I ask you to please raise your right hand for me? Do you swear the testimony you're about to give me will be the truth, the whole truth, nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, I do.
Thank you. Put your hand down. I'm about to share my screen with you. I'm going to ask you to please raise the volume on your voice just a little bit more, okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you. Okay. Is your name Michael Blythe?
Yes, sir, it is.
Are you the same Michael Blythe with this cause number
Yes,
2024-741-668 who's charged with the offense of criminal trespass? Is that you?
yes, it is.
This case is a Class B misdemeanor. It's possible in this case that you can be punished anywhere from a minimum of 0 days in jail up to 6 months in jail. In addition, there's a fine possible anywhere from $0 to $2,000. Do you understand what you're charged with and what the possible punishment could be in your case?
Yes, I do.
Looking at a document entitled Defendant's Consent to Plea by Video that you've signed and that your attorney signed. When you signed this document, you told me that it was okay to do this by video. We don't have to do it in open court. Is that right?
Yes, it is.
Looking at a document entitled Defendant's Waiver of Constitutional Rights. And you have signed it and your attorney has signed it. Did you go over this document with your attorney?
Yes, I did.
Did your attorney explain this document to you?
Yes, he did.
And do you understand it?
Yes, I do.
Hold on, let me sign this document. Are you a U.S. citizen?
Yes, I am.
I'm now looking at a document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Right of Appeal. You've signed it and your attorney signed it. When you signed this document, what you did was you told me, Judge, I understand that if my attorney makes a plea bargain for me with the prosecutor, if you follow that plea bargain, I understand I will not have a right to appeal. Do you understand that, sir?
Yes, I do understand that.
So then, to the offense, criminal trespass, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No contest.
Okay, hold on 1 minute. All right, you understand that on a plea of no contest, the court can still find you guilty.
Yes. Yes, I do.
Has anybody forced you to do this?
No, sir.
Besides the plea bargain that your lawyer got for you, besides that, anyone promised you anything in order to get you to do this?
No, sir.
Are you doing this of your own free will?
Yes, I am.
Is there a plea bargain? Can I ask the state to please recite it?
Yes, Your Honor. It is a $0 fine. Court costs 42 days in the Bexar County Jail. Credit for time served, time and money to run concurrent, and we ask that the judgment be satisfied.
Is that your understanding of the plea bargain, Mr. Cox?
That's correct, Judge.
You agree to this, Mr. Blythe?
Yes, I do.
And Mr. Blythe, the court having heard your plea of no contest, on that plea, the court finds you guilty. I follow the plea bargain. I sentence you to a $0 fine plus court costs. I sentence you to 42 days in the Bexar County Jail. Give you credit for time served, time and money run concurrent. The judgment is satisfied. Mr. Cox, do you know if this is the only case holding your client?
This is the only thing, Judge.
If this is the only case holding you, sir, then you should be released sometime today. Good luck to you. Merry Christmas.
Thank you. Merry Christmas to you, too.
All right.
And Mr. Cox, thank you. Merry Christmas to you.
Thank you, Judge. Merry Christmas, Judge. And to all a good night.
Thank you. All right, let me see. That. Now, I have to move on now to Mr. Engelke's case. Okay, that's a Sandra Thompson. Ms. Thompson, can you raise your right hand for me? Do you swear the testimony you're about to give me will be the truth, the whole truth, nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, sir.
Thank you. Put your hand down. I'm about to share my screen with you. Okay. Let me pull up. See, they're both B's, are they not? Yeah. Let me pull up one of your cases.
I believe you want the 736101, Judge.
Okay, is there a particular reason?
Um,
I thought she was pleading to both of them,
that's correct. Right.
so it doesn't matter if they're the
I
same
guess
penalty
not.
range. I'll get to the other one in just a minute, okay? All right, is your name Sandra Dale Thompson?
Yes, sir.
Are you the same Sandra Dale Thompson who in this cause number 2024 CC 737101,
Yes, sir.
who in this case is charged with the offense of theft of something having a value between $100 and $750? Is that you?
Yes, sir.
Are you also the same Sandra Thompson who in cause number 2024 CC 737101, when that other cause number is also charged with theft as a Class B misdemeanor? Is that you?
Yes, sir.
And so you're aware you have two cases, correct?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir, I am.
In both these cases, the punishment range for both these cases is a Class B misdemeanor is possible of anywhere from 0 days in jail up to 6 months in jail. In addition, there's a fine possible in each case anywhere from $0 to $2,000.
Yes,
Do you
sir.
understand what you're charged with in both these cases and what the possible punishment could be in both these cases?
Yes, sir.
Looking now at a document that you have filed in both these cases entitled Defendant Consent to Plea by Video, in which you and your attorney signed in both these cases. And when you signed these documents, what you did was you told me that it was okay to do this by video. We don't have to do it in open court. Is that correct?
Yes, sir, it's correct.
I'm now looking at a document. Again, you have filed this document in both cases. It's entitled Defendant's Waiver of Constitutional Rights. You have signed it in both cases, and so is your attorney. Did your lawyer explain these documents in both these cases to you?
Yes, sir, he has.
And do you understand them?
Yes, sir, I do.
Okay, hold on, let me sign this. And you're a U.S. citizen?
Yes, sir, I am.
I'm now looking at a document entitled Trial Court Certification on Defendant's Right of Appeal. You have filed this document in both cases. You've signed it in both cases. When you signed this document, what you did was you told me, Judge, I understand that if my attorney makes a plea bargain for me in these cases, if you follow the plea bargain, I understand I will not have a right to appeal in the future. Do you understand that?
Yes, sir, I do.
So then, in cause number 2024 CC 737101, in that cause number to the offense of theft as a Class B misdemeanor, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No contest, sir.
And then in cause number 2024 CC 736101, in that other cause number where you're charged with theft, how do you plead in that case? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No contest, sir.
Okay, hold on 1 minute.
Yes, sir.
You understand that on pleas and no contest, the court can still find you guilty.
Yes, sir.
Has anybody forced you to enter these pleas?
No, sir.
Besides the plea bargains that your lawyer got for you, has anyone promised you anything in order to get you to do this?
No, sir.
You're doing this of your own free will.
Yes, sir.
All right. Is there a plea bargain in these cases? It's the same. You can just recite it once, Mr. Hufford.
There is, Judge.
Mr. Now I'm asking the district attorney.
Oh, sorry.
Yes, Your Honor, there is an agreement and it is the same for both cases. It is a $0 fine, court costs, 31 days in the Bexar County Jail, credit for time served, time and money to run concurrently, and we ask that the judgment be satisfied.
Is that your understanding of the plea bargain in these cases, Mr. Engelke?
It is, Your Honor.
Do you agree to this, Ms. Thompson?
Yes, sir, I do.
And Ms. Thompson, we're going to do these one at a time. In cause number 2024 CC 737101, in that case, where you pled no contest, in that case, the court finds you guilty. I follow the plea bargain. I sent you to $0 fine, court costs. I sentence you to 31 days in the Bear County Jail. Give you credit for time served, time and money run concurrent, and the judgment is satisfied.
Thank you, sir.
Hold on. Mr. Engelkey, do you have another voucher on the other case?
I have another voucher on the other case. I believe that one says 400, and that's why this one only
Okay.
says 50.
Okay, I just wanted to make sure you were.
And also,
Okay.
I would ask you to instruct the clerk to add the appointments on those cases. I couldn't locate them.
Your order of appointment?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Hold on 1 minute. Let me get this other plea done. I'll deal with that. Okay, now I'm looking for the other case on Miss Thompson. Right here. Okay, now in the other case, Ms. Thompson, let me just fill out that paperwork real fast. Well, as fast as I can, anyway. So that won't hold you up.
I'm so sorry.
Okay, Ms. Thompson, in cause number 2024 CC 736101, where you pled no contest. In that case, the court, having heard you plead no contest, I find you guilty. I follow the plea bargain. I sent you to a $0 fine plus court costs. I sentence you to 31 days in the Bear County Jail. Give you credit for time served, time and money run concurrent. The judgment satisfied. Are these the only cases holding your client? Mr.
I
Engel?
believe so, Judge. Looks like I added the $50 on this voucher, but
Okay, so then Sunlight, that other voucher for $50, if you could ignore that.
Okay.
And
What I did
Denise,
want the appointment, I can't,
Uh-huh.
if it's not sent to me, I don't have it. So if it's
Okay.
not there, I don't have it.
Debbie, can you send the appointments to Mr. Engelkey?
Yes.
Okay,
Okay,
thank you.
Mr. Engelkey, Debbie will send you the appointment. You send it back to her and then I'll sign it, okay?
yes, Judge.
Okay, so Merry Christmas.
Merry
Thank you,
Christmas.
Lucky
Judge.
you all,
Merry
both
Christmas
of
to
you,
you.
okay?
God bless you
Here.
all.
All right, Mr. Engelkey, you can be excused. Thank you very much.
Thank you, and Merry Christmas, Judge.
Merry Christmas. Okay, so then, let me see what I have here. Someone has to tell me the magic words.
Turn off YouTube, Judge.
No, I'm a Grinch. I'm not going to turn off YouTube, but you guys can't go out and have a Christmas. Yeah. All right. And I did that live on YouTube. Can you believe I did that live on YouTube? God, I said I do incredibly stupid stuff.